Hi. My Asko dishwasher is making a droning sound. I've removed all water from the base unit, but the pump still won't stop.
Sometimes appliance issues that you think will be really complicated end up being easy to fix. The appliance technician I'm going to connect you with knows all the tricks and shortcuts. Tell me a bit more about what's going on so we can help you best.
The problem is a Asko D3110-8 steel. It began with a droning sound from the water pump. I located a lot of water in the base pan, and have tried to dry everything, even with hairdryer. When power is put on, the water pump still won't stop running. Is there a sensor or some electrical stuff still wet that causes the problem?
Is there anything else the appliance technician should be aware of?
Nothing that comes to mind.
I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the appliance technician about your situation and connect you to.
Okay, on an Asko dishwasher, that problem means one of two things: either there has been a water leak of some kind in the large white plastic base of the unit the dishwasher sits on under the main tub. You can remove the toe kick and look on the left side about 6 to 8 inches from the front. You will see a red stick that sits vertical that activates the safety drain feature. It sits on a piece of styrofoam, and if water gets in the base it will float, activating the pump. You will need to find what is leaking. If the red stick is not sitting in the vertical position, then there is an issue with the switch itself, in which case the entire mechanism should be replaced. You can pull the dishwasher out and remove the panel covering the left-hand side. If it's a full panel, there are screws holding it on from the front through some side trim as seen when the door is open. If it's just half a panel, then it can be removed by taking the Torx screw on the lower right side when facing the panel. If there is water in the base, you will need to isolate the leak and repair it, otherwise just removing the water and reinstalling it will only be temp fix. We are on the honor system for our time, so I kindly ask you to rate or vote, whatever it may be called, at the top of your screen, my service before you leave today by clicking 3 or better on the star rating system at the top of your page. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions. Tips are not expected but are greatly appreciated. Thank you.
It does not look like it's this mechanism on my machine. It is, however, something that looks like a sponge on the base pan. This seems to be dry.
Okay, then you have a polystyrene disc that is attached to a micro switch, so either that is floating because of water or the switch is stuck or bad.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.